Hi, welcome to the tutorial video of your non-profit dashboard. In this video, we shall learn on how we can submit a new project form. To do so, you need to log into your non-profit dashboard, select profile from the top and projects from the left. Once you do that, you can see that this opens up a dashboard where you can see all the projects that are either created or submitted or published on your profile. So if this tag says publish, it means that this project is already there on your profile. If this tab says final approval, it means that this project has been sent to the Give India team as a submission for the admins to approve. If it says pending, it means that you are still required to do some work on your project form and click on the submit button for Give India to receive it. To submit a new project form, you can click on add and you are required to complete this brief project form. In the project form, you are supposed to mention the name of the program, basically the name of the intervention that you list with Give India and that you wish to raise funds for. You also need to mention the problem that you're addressing. You need to mention a short statement on what is your intervention, what is your plan of action to address that problem. And finally, you need to briefly describe the expected output of your action, of your plan of intervention. So you need to fill in these three basic content boxes, describing in brief of what you're trying to do in your project or in your program. You need to select two causes from a list of 15 broad causes that we have mentioned. So suppose in case your project is talking about educating girl child, you can choose your primary cause as education. You can choose your secondary cause as women empowerment. If you're talking about the education of children, your primary cause could be education. Your secondary cause could be children. You need to mention the project locations. That is, what all areas are you planning to serve through this program? It could either be a pan-India intervention. It could either be implemented across multiple states, and you can select the states, either one or multiple states, through the list provided to you. Else, you can select cities. So here, you can enter a single city or you can enter multiple cities. And all of these locations will get added as your project locations. It is mandatory that you provide us with a cover image for the project, which is similar to what we have on Facebook or any common social media platform. This image may not be exactly from the field. This could be a representative image that you can use that goes with the idea of your program. Similarly, you need to provide us with a similar image in a smaller dimension, which shall be used as the thumbnail of this project on your NGO profile. You need to describe donation options. Please ensure that your donation options are suitable to retail donors, to individual donors, to common people. So you can start with donation options as small as 500 or 1000 or 5000, and you can go as high as 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs. while you will be required to submit 3 donation options, the last donation option is always editable on your project profile. So you can choose to leave it blank. So you can either enter 0 and that is all, or you can enter a representative figure, say, a high-end figure of 5 lakh and describe what the funds will be used for. Please accompany your donation option with a description that conveys the intent why you're asking for that particular amount. So if a donor is contributing 500 rupees, he should get a satisfaction, he should get a good feel that that 500 rupees will be used towards a certain aspect in your project. So please try to communicate that in brief through your donation option description. Moving on to the cost breakup. Every project is associated with multiple costs, and we want you to mention the same here. The various fields that we have mentioned here are only mentioned as an example that you can make use of. Else, if you wish to enter your own fields, please feel free to edit these fields, add more fields as per your convenience. Whatever amounts you are mentioning against those fields, these will automatically get added up under target amount. So this calculator runs automatically. So you just need to provide us with your cost breakup and the target amount will automatically get calculated. If you want to save this much information and probably come back later before finally reviewing your project and finally making a submission, you can click on the save button. Else, you can click on save and submit for review. Once you do that, please wait for a confirmation message on the screen that thanks you for your submission and confirms that your submission has been sent to the admin at Give India. Once you have submitted the project, we will encourage you to send an intimation to partnership@giveindia.org, informing the team that you have submitted the project so that we can review it at the earliest and make it live on your profile on Give India fundraisers. Hope that was useful to you. You can check out other videos to learn more about your nonprofit dashboard.